so that you know and you can make an intelligent decision on what you should do. You'd be looking at no less than 25 years in prison to life imprisonment. You're not eligible for probation, and the minimum is 25 years, and these are aggravated. Clinton Edmonson.
You see them at the court to tell him the best what he's been charged.
Edmonson, please.
I think we're still working on that one, Judge.
Thank you. Clinton Edmonson.
You watched the video on this one? The media.
Yes.
You're completely right. If I'm here, she doesn't. All right. We now call cause number 26 CR 909, the state of Texas versus Clinton Thomas Edmonson. That's you, sir? Are you Mr. Edmonson? You have to speak up so she can hear. She's the court reporter. Good. Thank you.
I don't make mother's name.
I'm sorry.
My mother's name got covered over for old age. I was in jail before. They gave me a name like this for the hospital.
But you are Clinton Thomas Edmonson. And you are charged in this cause number 26 CR 908. Here's the indictment here. With the second degree felony of assault on a peace officer. And this states that on or about March 5th, 2026, this year over here, on or about March 5th, which would have been April, May, June, July, August, 5 months ago, in Jefferson County, Texas, this states that you intentionally, knowingly, and recklessly caused bodily injury to the complainant, a police officer. Don't interrupt me. By striking the police officer in the face with your hands. And that you knew that he was a peace officer lawfully discharging an official duty.
I don't remember hitting no police officer.
This states that the police officer responded to the report of a person with a white hat and tan pants, and that was described as you, breaking the window of a pickup truck while trying to assault the person with a metal pole. This happened on Magnolia Avenue. The police arrived, saw you, and called for you to stop as you were walking away. You were holding a fence post, and you dropped the post and stopped. When the police began to pat you down for weapons and safety, you struck the officer in the right side of his face with your hands. You punched him. It's in the debate. I'm speaking. Don't be rude. You get a chance to speak, but don't speak over the court, please. This isn't a debate and an argument. Okay? All right. And there was a struggle, and then he had to activate his taser, and you were finally subdued and cuffed. The owner of the property at 350 Magnolia said he had told you to leave the property because you were trespassing. You became angry and threatened him with the fence post. So you are charged here with the second degree felony of assault on a peace officer. If convicted, you are looking at no less than 2 nor more than 20 years in prison. And a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Oh, do you understand what you're charged with and the punishment range applicable here?
Do you understand what you're charged with?
You understand what you're charged with and what the punishment range is, up to 20 years in prison, if convicted.
Ask you a question.
No, you're going to get a chance to speak in a minute. Just, do you understand what you're charged with? But I just read to you in English and the punishment range of up to 20 years.
I don't know, I don't mean no harm, but I don't wanna, say the wrong thing because, I know who I am, I got shot on the, front premises. I got shot in the front premises way before.
We just need to know that you understand.
Nobody else, I don't know.
There's nothing about
I don't have
a
no
shooting.
friends walking the street, someone was talking to me, and, I don't know their conversation.
Okay,
But when it's,
all right. So what we're going to do
I
then
don't know who's who.
is,
So,
do you know who
I mean,
you are?
getting hit, hurt.
Do you know who you are?
Yeah.
What
but
is your name?
I went somewhere, but I'm hearing bad things. They told me, like I said, if I wasn't welcome to pay for noodles or soups.
Okay.
Dennis, what's your name?
All,
Clinton Thomas Edmonson.
okay, that's right. You're right. You're charged with striking a police officer. That's why you are here, sir.
No, I don't.
Yes, it is while you're here. I'm not debating you.
Judge, I think he was just answering the allegation. It's just the allegation.
All right.
Not to-
What we're going to do is set this on a trial. We'll let a jury decide your fate, okay? And you're looking at up to 20 years in prison. And Mr. Turk, why don't you get with us if you need to file any other motions, if you know what I mean? That's what we're going to do until then. We're going to set it for trial. That is all.
Don't take you any words.
You supposed to be a lawyer?
Yes.
Next is Lucy Johnson.
Okay. Don't say anything else.
Next is Lucy Johnson. Thank you. Mr. Laird. Dantrell Jones. Here, Dantrell Jones, is that you, sir?
No.
That's you? Welcome. And this is cause number 26CR768, the state of Texas versus Dantrell Tyrese Jones. And here is Mr. West, your attorney, and the prosecution is Mr. Laird. You were charged in this case, sir, with the second-degree felony of burglary of a habitation. And this indictment states this occurred on or about March 11th of 2026 in Jefferson County, Texas. And that's serious because that would carry with it up to 20 years in prison. But your criminal history has caught up with you. The indictment goes on to allege in paragraph 2 that you were convicted in the 252nd District Court of Jefferson County next door. Are you interrupting this court? No, you interrupted. I get to speak, then you can speak. We learned this in first grade. That's rude. She can't take everything down when people are speaking over each other. Please listen to me, and then you have a fair opportunity to be heard, okay? Let's do it that way, sir, like we learned in school. All right. Paragraph 2 goes on to allege that you were convicted of aggravated robbery. That's a first-degree felony. That was in 2018 in the 252nd District Court of Jefferson County, Texas, next door. After that was final, according to this, there was another, on that same day, there was another aggravated robbery conviction on that same date in the same court. So on September 17th, 2018, you were convicted twice of aggravated robberies. After those convictions became final, paragraph 4 of the indictment goes on to state that you thereafter committed the felony of a robbery, a second-degree felony, and you were convicted of that. I think I remember, because I remember faces. You were convicted of that in this court in September of 2025, last year. So if paragraph 1, if you were convicted of this new burglary of a habitation, and paragraphs 1 or 2 and, I'm sorry, paragraphs 2 or 3, one or more of the aggravated robberies were proven true. And then this other robbery in this court on paragraph 4 was proven true. That would make you an habitual felon, which means the punishment range would be, so that you know, and you can make an intelligent decision on what you should do. You'd be looking at no less than 25 years in prison to life imprisonment. You're not eligible for probation, and the minimum is 25 years, and these are aggravated. This is a,
It's not an aggravated.
I'm sorry, the earlier convictions were aggravated robberies, but this one is a burglary of a habitation, which is not an aggravated offense. So it would affect your parole somewhat, but it would not be as severe on parole as though it were an aggravated case. So you're still looking at 25 to life, which is not good. All right, what are we doing? That's,
You know, if I get a little time, I'd like to have him evaluated. I have gone to the jail to talk to him. He's refused to come talk to me. This morning, I tried to talk to him again. He indicated that he's here for a theft and not for a burglary, and then walked away. Went back. I was trying to talk to himself.
there's the indictment says burglary. The indictment says burglary. That's what the grand jury indicted you for right there. Burglary.
I've tried to go over the discovery.
That's the way that's the law. And it's up to the jury to decide if it's true or not.
Get a pre-warrant.
Huh?
Get a pre-warrant.
You gotta talk to him with that. He's your lifeline. He's the man who helps you. Y'all have to do that privately. I can't get involved in that. But if it's fair, if something can be worked out, we'll do it. But 25 to life is not good. Y'all talk about it.
I was not, if he'll talk to me.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
Yeah.
Well, you work with him. He sounds like
I'm
he's
trying
an
to.
intelligent guy. He's concerned about his life. Okay. James J. Nelson, please.
Your Honor, they made us a new offer this morning.
Great. Oh, I'm sorry.
If we could have 1 week.
Oh, okay. I was excited about it. Just